getting a little cloudy because their lifespan's only around 15 years, and in captivity they can double their lifespan. So they're averagely only about to be 15, but he's already his late 20s. Okay. So he's developing some cataracts.
There is definitely a difference between since Earth Day started in 1970, I believe, was the first Earth Day celebration. Now we don't have a choice. We are at a point where if we are to survive, we really, really, really need to take care of the planet. The idea of moving to other planets, certainly an interesting idea, but we very much care about our environment here on this planet, where everything is interconnected. And I find now that children are much, much more aware of the issues that are impinging on the environment.
Yes! We have a lot of black racers out in the field. You don't have to worry. There's 7 species of snakes on Long Island, but none of them are poisonous. They're all friendly. They'll run away when they see you. Gosh, you don't like the idea of snakes, but these are good snakes. We're starting to see the birds coming back. We have an osprey in the nest, nesting for the first time. We put it up about 10 years ago, and they came every season to check it out, and now they're finally nesting. An osprey is that beautiful bird that you see soaring with the white on the bottom of his wings. It's also called a fish hawk. And you'll see them diving into the water and bringing up fish. That's all they eat are fish. So if we're lucky, we might see one of the osprey bringing a fish to the nest.
Oh, that's cool.
The Long Pond Greenbelt is a chain of 13 coastal plain ponds, so they have a lot of areas to fish. They can also fish in the bay. You see these posts all over along the roads. They've made a huge comeback. The eagles and the osprey pretty much disappeared due to the pesticide use out here. But now they're back. And you could even see an eagle now.
What's the eagle?
An eagle is even bigger.
What is the eagle bigger?
Bald eagles have white heads and white tails. That's how you can tell the difference. Oh yes, great. Also in this field we have a pair of red-tailed hawks. So there's a lot to look for.
What is that, Titan?
We're going to see some little ponds. And if you have any questions along the way, this is our volunteer group. Not for anybody to come help plant natives, pick up garbage, trim trails, trail signs.
No, can we go now?
Yeah, it's a pretty car. Yes, we're going to go now. Let's go. Museum was the Bridgehampton Winery. The wine was okay, but the vineyard did not survive because this land is wetland. They didn't really think of that when they put in the grapes. So the owner tried for several years to make it successful. Then he said, it's not going to be successful, so I'm going to build a golf course and condominiums. Luckily, the neighbors got up in arms, went to the town and the county, and the land was preserved, 74 acres. And that's why we can use it whenever we want now. Another one, and then if you head north, that's how you get all the way to Mashashamune Park and see the other pond. But that's a different hike. And we do different hikes every week, every month. And every full moon, we're out here walking in the moonlight. Where do turkeys sleep at night?
In the woods.
Where in the woods?
They sleep in trees?
They sleep up in the tree. That's where they feel safe. Nice. That was a turkey feather. Got kind of broken up.
We
right?
We
have
couldn't.
to try to find a newer one, right? We were hoping to find a salamanders, We found an ant. We only found an ant. But we can keep looking around. Voles and moles, little mice.
I'm Rob Gelling, SOFO environmental educator and aquarist, and we just had the first of our program today, the SOFO's Earth Day event, and that would mark the 52nd Earth Day since 1970 that was initiated across the country. It was a wonderful day today as far as the turnout and the number of organizations that represented themselves were wonderful, face painting to environmental youth club, Youth Environmental Society. We are waiting at this time for a live raptor show with the Quogue Wildlife Refuge. And so all in all, it's a great day, a great way to express your stewardship for the environment, or at least learn how to be a steward.